What's up, guys? Anthony here, Special Analysis. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Want to talk about the US30. I know I got a bunch of Forex traders here that are either following YouTube on my email list or so on and so forth, and I don't want to leave you guys out. Now, I am a futures trader. That's just what I trade. Kind of is what it is. Everyone's got their own niche, but doesn't mean that price action and volume and the profit pack can't all be associated with helping you as a Forex trader as well. So the US30 is the Forex symbol, if you would, for the Dow 30 stocks here. And in this example, you all know, if you've been following me for a while, watching my videos, I'm a big proponent of qualifying my trade. Like, I got to have a real reason to risk my hard-earned money. And in this example, we're using channel structures. Channel structures to me are very familiar. I've been using them for many, many, many years. I've navigated a lot of my trading by using channel structures, defining support and resistance, ascending, descending, things of that nature. And that's ultimately what we're doing kind of right here. We're defining support and resistance based on the use of channel structures. And I want to uniquely show you how you're able to also use channel structures for profit taking. So you can see here off to the left side, we entered into a downtrend. We had a high and a lower high. So I just simply drew a line between the two, extended it, and then I cloned it and moved it here to the bottom. So this is clearly support. You can see we made roughly a double bottom here. And then what did we do? We broke this line of resistance. Price ultimately pushes back higher, and then it takes a quick breather. So I know that there's selling present here. I also know that there was selling present here. So I drew a line from this high to this high and just simply extended it. You can note that it caught price action right here and also caught price action right here before breaking above it and retesting it right here, falling back below it, and then again, respecting that line all the way up here at the very tippy top. So a properly placed trend line or channel structure will serve you purposes, in the future. Okay. It is what it is. I've been using them, like I said, for over a decade, been very successful trading with channel structures. So in this instance, that's what we're using. We're using a channel structure. We define the uptrend here. I cloned this line. I placed it at the low in between these two highs. And guess what? When price action defined an uptrend and pulled through the profit band, we literally fell a few ticks away from testing support, right? So this is the way that we qualified this entry. We qualified it by basically a shallow test of support. Did we touch the line? No, but we certainly came within the vicinity of it and then very quickly pushed back away from it. So in doing that, we were able to say, all right, there's a pretty good chance, as long as we stay above this trend line, that price from this area is likely to push back into this channel structure or trend line overhead. And that's exactly what it did over here. So from the trigger candle, price action marched straight into resistance. And we defined resistance off of these prior highs. So we qualified the entry and knew exactly where to take profit based on drawing some very simple channel structures. Now, I ultimately drew 2 lines on the chart and I cloned them. That's what ultimately made 4 lines. Guys, very simplistic. This is basic price action analysis that you should be very, very familiar with. If you're not, then you need to invest the time in learning it. I'm here to certainly help you through some of the programs that I offer, but you need to be familiar with understanding price action. And if you are, you'll be able to, with greater deal of confidence, navigate your trading. So below this video, guys, there's a handful of links. I encourage you to click on them, consume the content, reach out to me with any questions that you may have. If you decide that the profit pack's right for you, if you decide that you need some help, let me know. We'll discuss your needs. We'll discuss, the investment of these components and things to help take your trading to the next level. And if you're ready to get started, we'll get you up and running. If you need some time to think about it, that's okay too. I don't believe in high-pressured sales. I believe in serving my clients, and in serving my clients, I've been very successful. So I want you to experience that same level of success. So I look forward to speaking with you, and I wish you a blessed day.